Hello and welcome to our video on the 8 healthiest foods for diabetics with practically zero carbs and zero sugar. These are not just safe choices for maintaining stable blood sugar, but they're also packed with nutrients to keep you healthy and energized. From the protein-rich wonders to the fiber-packed superheroes, we've got you covered with foods that are both nutritious and diabetic-friendly. But before we dive into this culinary adventure, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss out on any of our health and nutrition videos to help you live your best life. Now let's get started and discover these incredible foods that are not only safe for diabetics, but can also be delightful additions to your everyday meals. Kicking off our list at number 8 are the powerhouse leafy greens, including spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are not just a staple in healthy diets, but are especially beneficial for individuals managing diabetes due to their exceptionally low carbohydrate content and minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Leafy greens are nutrient powerhouses. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals while being incredibly low in calories and digestible carbs. For instance, spinach is rich in vitamins A, C, K, and folate, as well as minerals like magnesium and iron. Kale boasts a similar profile with the added benefits of antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which have anti-inflammatory properties. One of the key reasons leafy greens are ideal for diabetics is their low carbohydrate content, which means they have little to no impact on blood sugar levels. This is crucial in diabetes management, where controlling blood sugar spikes is essential. The high fiber content in these greens also plays a role in slowing down the absorption of other carbs, further stabilizing blood sugar levels. Studies have consistently shown the benefits of leafy greens for diabetes management. For example, research published in the British Medical Journal found that an increased intake of leafy green vegetables was associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. This is likely due to their high nutrient density and low impact on blood sugar. Another great aspect of leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard is their versatility. They can be incorporated into the diet in various ways, from salads and smoothies to sautéed dishes and soups. This makes it easy to include them in daily meals, ensuring a regular intake of these nutrient-rich vegetables. At number 7, we have eggs, an incredibly versatile and nutritious food. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients and are particularly advantageous due to their low carbohydrate content, making them an excellent choice for blood sugar management. They are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and maintenance. The protein content in eggs not only helps in building and repairing tissues, but also plays a vital role in blood sugar management. Protein-rich foods like eggs can contribute to a feeling of fullness and satisfaction, which can help prevent overeating and assist in maintaining a healthy weight. But they are not just about protein. They are also packed with essential nutrients. They are a significant source of vitamin B12, crucial for brain health and the maintenance of the nervous system. Eggs also contain choline, an essential nutrient that most people don't get enough of. Choline is vital for brain development and liver function. Studies have indicated that consuming eggs may improve lipid profiles and reduce inflammation in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, the high-quality protein in eggs can aid in glycemic control, which is crucial for diabetes management. Sitting at number 6, we have the creamy and nutritious avocados. One of the key features of avocados is their high content of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These fats are known for their beneficial effects on heart health and their ability to help stabilize blood sugar levels. For individuals with diabetes, consuming foods with a higher proportion of monounsaturated fats, like avocados, can lead to better overall blood sugar control. Avocados are incredibly low in carbohydrates, making them ideal for maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Another crucial aspect of avocados is their high fiber content. Dietary fiber is essential for blood sugar management as it slows down the absorption of other carbohydrates, thus preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. The fiber in avocados also aids in digestion and can help in maintaining a healthy gut, which is vital for overall health. In addition to healthy fats and fiber, avocados are packed with a range of nutrients. They are a good source of vitamins C, E, K, and B6, as well as folate, magnesium, and potassium. This incredibly versatile fruit can be eaten on its own, added to salads, mashed as guacamole, or used as a healthy fat source in smoothies. Number 5 on our list highlights the importance of fatty fish, salmon, sardines, and mackerel. One of the standout qualities of fatty fish is their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats play a crucial role in heart health, which is particularly important for diabetics, as they have an increased risk of heart disease. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation throughout the body, lower blood pressure, and decrease triglyceride levels. Fatty fish also contain virtually no carbohydrates. The omega-3 fatty acids in these fish can enhance insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. In addition to omega-3s, fatty fish are also rich in other nutrients. They are a good source of high-quality protein, essential for maintaining muscle mass and overall health. They also provide important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, B vitamins, and selenium. It's recommended to consume fatty fish at least 2 to 3 times a week. They can be prepared in various ways: grilled, baked, or even included in salads. At number 4, we have the ever-versatile and heart-healthy olive oil. A staple in Mediterranean diets, olive oil is celebrated not just for its flavor, but also for its numerous health benefits. One of the key attributes of olive oil that makes it suitable for a diabetic diet is its zero carbohydrate content. Olive oil is abundant in monounsaturated fats, a type of healthy fat that is known to promote heart health. It is also loaded with antioxidants. These compounds fight inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and can help prevent chronic diseases. The presence of antioxidants like oleocanthal and oleuropein also contributes to the anti-inflammatory and disease-fighting properties of olive oil. Studies have shown that diets high in monounsaturated fat, such as those in olive oil, can improve insulin sensitivity. Olive oil is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be used for sautéing, as a salad dressing, or drizzled over cooked vegetables and meats. Its distinct flavor enhances a variety of dishes, making it easy to incorporate into daily meals. At number 3, we turn our attention to nuts and seeds, including almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. One of the primary reasons nuts and seeds are ideal for diabetics is their low carbohydrate content, which ensures minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Like olive oil, they are also rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Nuts and seeds are also high in dietary fiber. Fiber is essential in a diabetic diet as it slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, helping to prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar. Furthermore, fiber contributes to a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. They are also excellent sources of protein, a macronutrient that helps in building and repairing body tissues. Protein-rich foods like nuts and seeds can also help maintain muscle mass and provide sustained energy, which is beneficial for overall metabolic health. Sitting at number 2, we have meat and poultry, which are staple components of many diets around the world. Meat and poultry are excellent sources of high-quality protein, which is essential for the maintenance and repair of muscle tissue, among other bodily functions. Protein is also known for its ability to induce satiety, which can be beneficial in managing appetite and supporting weight management, an important aspect of diabetes control. The fact that unprocessed meats and poultry contain no carbohydrates is a significant advantage, especially for those with diabetes. Carbohydrates, particularly refined ones, can cause spikes in blood sugar levels. By including meat and poultry in their diet, diabetics can enjoy satisfying meals without worrying about these spikes. In addition to protein, meat and poultry provide a range of important nutrients. They are good sources of B vitamins, particularly B12, which is not found naturally in plant-based foods. They also contain iron, zinc, and selenium, among other minerals. But while meat and poultry are great options for diabetics due to their low carbohydrate content, it's important to focus on lean cuts and avoid processed meats, which can be high in unhealthy fats and sodium. Grilling, baking, or stewing are healthier cooking methods compared to frying. At the top of our list at number 1, we have cheese, a versatile and beloved food item around the world. Cheese is inherently low in carbohydrates, which is particularly beneficial for diabetics. It is a good source of high-quality protein, essential for building and repairing tissues in the body, and plays a role in satiety, helping to reduce overall calorie intake by making you feel fuller for longer. Additionally, cheese is an excellent source of calcium, crucial for bone health and the proper functioning of the heart and muscles. There's a wide variety of cheeses available, each with its own nutritional profile and flavor. Options like cottage cheese, ricotta, and mozzarella are typically lower in fat and calories, making them suitable choices for those watching their fat intake. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that cheese consumption was not associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease, partly due to its fermentable dairy matrix. However, it's still important to consume cheese in moderation and, if possible, opt for reduced fat versions, which can be a healthier choice. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the 8 healthiest foods for diabetics with practically 0 carbs and 0 sugar. It's important to remember that while these foods are excellent in managing blood sugar levels due to their minimal carb and sugar content, the key to effective diabetes management lies in portion control and a balanced, varied diet. And as always, consult with your healthcare provider for personalized dietary advice tailored to your specific needs. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these diabetes-friendly foods are you excited to include more of in your diet? Or do you have any go-to low-carb, low-sugar foods that work wonders for you? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights could be incredibly helpful to someone else in our community. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and until then, stay healthy and keep exploring the wonderful world of nutritious eating.